This is for the first time I visited Sephora, and let's just say I did not walk empty handed. Here is everything I picked up from Sephora. La 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 la. Starting off with the star of the show, which is this Charlotte Tilbury powder. The best part is it does what it claims. I mean, I have literally fallen in love, and the reason why I've bought a mini version of it is because a lot of time this has happened with me that I've bought something from the store. I did a swatch test and I even applied it on my skin, but in the store it will look fabulous. But the moment I got it home and when I am applying it on my skin, it won't look good. So I decided to buy a mini version, try it on for some time, and then buy the bigger one in case I loved it. I really now know what is the hype is all about. My favorite influencers, Masoom Neenawala, Tarini, they all use it, and so I had to give it a try. So let's just put it on to show you. It literally glides on your skin like it's butter. It's silky. The texture of your skin will look so smooth and so buttery like. And the best part is it will lock all the makeup on your skin. It will make your makeup look very beautiful, not at all cakey. So it's definitely worth it and you should definitely give it a try. So I'm using it in the shade medium. So in India there are only three shades available. One is fair, the other one is medium, and the third one is tan. And there is deep tan in the US. I'm not sure if it's available in India. So next up are these lip stains from Sephora's in-house line. I saw a girl wearing this color and I can tell that it is not easily available in India. This exact shade is not at all easily available. I loved it. It was so beautiful. I'll just quickly apply it and show you how it looks. Currently, I'm just wearing a lip balm. This is how it looks. It's a proper nude brown shade. It is so accurate. It goes with absolutely everything. And the best part is that it will look beautiful on Indian skin tone. How the swatch looks like. This is a perfect nude brown. Next up is mauve shade. I am a sucker for mauve shades, and this one ticks all the right boxes. Before going to Sephora, I literally searched for all the lip shades that look good on alien skin tones, and this was one of the most recommended lipsticks. So I wanted to give it a try, and when I visited the store and tried it on my lips, it looked really cool. So I got it, and I got four lipsticks of the same shade because I'm crazy. I can't help it. Buying a liner, kajal, or maybe mascara, it's a no-brainer. But when you have to go buy lipsticks, oh my god, it's a lot of work. Buying the right lipstick for your lips is a lot of work in itself. Alright, I'll just give it a try. I'll clean the one that I'm wearing. Is exactly what I call a perfect mauve shade. And I just put it on. Oh god. It literally glides on my lips. And the best part, they won't budge. And it will also not make your lips dry. That is one of the reasons why I love their cream lip stains so much. Oh my god. And I'm someone who likes my eye makeup very loud, so I don't prefer loud lipsticks. I prefer subtle and nude colors, and this is one of them. This is exactly what I needed. And I'm honestly in love with this color. I have legit heard everyone rave about it. Charlotte Tilbury's flawless setting spray is hyped for a reason. And when I tried it, I initially did not like it. Spent so much money on it and it is not working because I was using it the wrong way. How to use it? Wash your face properly, apply a thick layer of moisturizer, and immediately spray it over your face. Wait for like 10 seconds and then apply your face. It gives you that fresh hydrated look without feeling sticky, and it will lock your makeup like nothing else. I think you should give it a try. It's a very good product. It's actually hyped up for a reason, and honestly this is why I think everyone should have these things in their vanity. Okay, so that's my first ever Sephora haul, and I'm definitely going for more. Let me know in the comments if you want full reviews or viewer test of any of the products, and let me know if you have used any of these products, and please share your results with me. Thank you for watching my channel. It's always a pleasure to share my tidbits with you. Goodbye, signing off.